Instagram carousel is a very effective way to provide information on Instagram. And this kind of carousel is very trendy. It seems like it is a single long photo, even though it is not. And designing these types of carousels on Illustrator is kinda easy. Because you can place your canvases side by side horizontally. But in Canva, it is not possible. Hi. I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And, in this video, I will show you how to do it on Canva, without making a long image, and without cropping it. But before that, we make videos on WordPress, website strategy, UI and web design tutorial, and social media strategy. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. So, here in Canva, click here. As you see, it has a preset for Instagram posts. If you don't see it, you can search for it. It is 1080 by 1080 pixels. But, you can also use 1080 by 1350 pixels. Okay, now, let's make a very quick design here. Now, let's take a picture from the picture option. It has a background, and we don't need that. So, I will just click here. And click background remover. And, as you see, it will do a pretty good job. Let's crop it, resize it, and place it right here. As you can see, a portion of the image is out of the frame. And, I want that portion, to visible here. So that, it can create the illusion of being a single image. So, what I will do, I'll take a rectangle, like this. And, use it as a marking point. As you see, one end of the rectangle touches the right side of the canvas border, and the left side touches the border of the image. Now, select both holding the Shift key. And, just copy it, and paste it to the next canvas. It will paste at the position where it was in the previous canvas. Now, here is the trick. By select both the image and the rectangle. I will just push it to the left, until I could see the rectangle. But the rectangle should be at the edge of the canvas border. Just like this. Now delete the previous rectangle, from the previous canvas. I will place some other elements very quickly. Now, here is another trick. If I push this arrow, out of the frame by mouse, just at the middle of the element, it will snap like this, and show this line. Like a magnet. Again, I will copy and paste it to the next, and it will paste at the exact position. Now, I will start push to the left, and out of the frame, and it will again snap just at the middle of it. Let's add a few more text here. And you are done. And as you see, it looks seamless and looks like a single image, even though these are 3 different images. So, there you go. Isn't it easy? And, as I said, no cropping needed at all. I have already posted this on our Instagram. If you want to follow us, you will find the link in the description. You will also find this beautiful WordPress themes link too. And, I will see you in the next video.